Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your Bluetooth is not working or being detected on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, you're going to back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel, and then underneath find and fix other problems, select Bluetooth, and then run the troubleshooter, and then just allow this to proceed. Make sure your devices are discoverable on your network, and then just follow along with the directions on the screen, and hopefully your issue should be resolved. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.